Hi, Deadlocks here again. Today we're looking at the Chicago model 1200 hinged. Quite a nice, interesting looking set of cuffs, and they'll have our name on, so that's nice. So they feel quite well made and sturdy, and nice loose straight through action and backloading. I wasn't sure about that one. We have twin pole setup. Unlike the nice famous X22s, we do not have the split pole. It is just two poles. So a standard key works fine. Same with the double lock, but the double lock is kind of these handcuffs showpiece. It's quite a cool one because just like the X22, it has a double lock here and on the other side. It'll be operated at the same time by one key because it catches both of them. But if you say get pokey thing and knock the double lock off, you get both at the same time. So if you get your pokey thing, only catch one double lock, catch both double locks. If you pick off the double lock, you can quite often not get the double. Nope, I got both again. Double lock on, and you try and pick it off, you can just get one side of it. Now whenever I try and pick these, and I want to get both at the same time, I cannot do it. Really? Oh, where? So, sometimes when you pick the double lock, you only catch one side of the double lock. There we go, I did it. So the double lock stays on. Then you have to go in and get the other side, then you're good. Yeah. See, now I don't need to do it twice in a row. And there's the other side done. Well, that was a pain. Yeah, that's kind of its party piece, but it's kind of made it look bad there because whenever I want to escape these, I can't get both at once. But when I want to demonstrate it, I kind of just get a single one. Makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah, there's no anti-shim in there, so shimming should not be a problem. Okay, better shim. Can it be shimmed? Of course it can, easily. No anti-shim in them. Twin pole, so easy-ish to pick. That double lock can cause a problem, unless you want it to cause a problem, then it doesn't. Actually pretty nice cuffs. I like these. That's all from us. See you next time. Quickly back again. I've just modified a key to make the bit a little shorter. So now I can demonstrate the double locks like this. Oh, you joke.